everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today we have a shapewear video. I know a lot of people don't discuss it and it's kind of a little taboo. Do you wear one? Do you not? It's a love-hate relationship kind of thing. But I'm about to put you girls on to the good, okay? Because look, I'm not gonna lie. Y'all know I have 3 babies. I've had 3 C-sections. I've lost a little bit of weight up and down. So, and I'm 34. So my stomach is a little flappy. Sometimes, you know, you want to be in that, you know, framing dress or those high-waisted jeans and you're just like, ooh, should I like either not breathe or should I change my outfit? But the outfit's so banging that you don't want to do that. I just came up on this awesome company and they sent me out some of the best shapewear I have ever worn in my entire life. And guys, it's totally changing the game for me. When I've wore previous shapewear or girdles, whatever you guys want to call them, I hated them. They were always hurting me. They were super expensive. They were like super hot. And when this company reached out to me, I was like, let me give it a whirl. So I did. And I got some goodies to share with you. So this isn't only going to be for my girls who have a tummy. This is also going to be for my thick-legged girls. And you know, summer's here and we be wearing dresses. And I know I'm not the only one who gets the infamous chub rub. Yes, the chub rub. The thigh friction, the painfulness that comes along every summer, that we love to see summer come, but we hate to see it because of that. And everybody has a cream or an ointment that you can wear. Guys, I've tried them all. I mean, some of them make it a little less irritating, but it just, nothing ever works better than wearing something to block it. So for my ladies like that, I have the short shapewear. And then, last but not least, I got some leggings that offer, you know, some cute leggings that are nice and thick, but they hold in the belly, they kind of shape up the thighs, they got you looking right. They got you looking snatched. I got your back. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. So I am working with the company Shapermint, and it is, I first thought they sent me this cute little bag and I was like, yes, I'm all about it. And I love, first thing I love about this company is they're all about body positivity, self-love, and self-confidence. And I'm about to put this out here right now. If you choose not to wear any type of shapewear and you're perfectly comfortable with rocking whatever, you do you, boo, because I applaud you. But I feel more comfortable with a little bit of nip tuck, you know. And, you know, like I said, for my legs, I need that barrier. So this company's all about promoting self-love, girl power, which, you know, a mama of 3 girls, I'm all about that. And I'm all about loving the skin you're in, embracing every one of your curves and edges, because ladies, that's what makes you beautiful. So that's another reason why I decided to go ahead and partner up with them, because I love that. I love that image and we need more of that in this world. So they went ahead and they sent me out some things and I want to show you what I got. The first thing they sent me, I told you, were the leggings. These are the leggings. This is the basic leggings. Perfect waist, abdomen, and hip fit. So I went ahead and just followed their, this is how they come. And I went ahead and just followed their sizing chart. Always do that, guys. Don't ever just think, you know, you wear your, you know, regular size. I got these in a large, extra large. So you're seeing these and you're like, Danielle. But they stretch, guys. Stretch, stretch, stretch. But what I like is they'll stretch and they'll just suck you all in. So, and they're nice, but these are going to be a little bit thicker. So I would wear these more in the summer, the colder summer nights, but they are not see-through at all, which we like. I'm going to go ahead and insert a couple outfit options to wear with these. So these are the first things I got. Okay, so here is the leggings, and I really like them. These are super stretch, guys. I mean, I know when I pulled them out, you're probably like, no, girl, they ain't gonna get on you. But they're good, they stretch. This is, like I told you, my problem area. and it really holds it in. If you guys have seen previous hauls where I've hauled leggings, it's like super noticeable. So I'm just wearing a little bit of a tunic shirt. These aren't as thick as I would have imagined them to be, so you're definitely going to want to cover up the tush, ladies. But they are pretty nice. I think these will be great for like fall, because they are pretty warm because they're kind of thick. But I think they're a really nice option to have. I like how they are really, really fitting on my legs. I definitely would like to wear these maybe if I'm going to work out or something like that, just because it gives me so much control and I won't be jiggling so much. And they have pretty good movement too. Like you got enough room to move. I'm just wearing some slides with these. But yeah, this is the leggings. I'm looking out for the ladies who maybe don't feel comfortable wearing, you know, dresses, or they're just, who doesn't want a pair of black leggings that make your body look banging? I mean, everybody. You get a pair of black leggings, you get a pair of black, everybody gets black leggings. These are a must-have, ladies. All right, the next thing they sent me was the shaping panty. So these are just a regular panty, and then they do come up a little bit higher, so they can go ahead and sit your waist in. I love these for the days that I wear my high-waisted jeans with my bodysuits, because you don't want to be looking like a muffin. We all know about the muffin top, but we want to be looking snatched. So this is how it can. I like how it comes in these little bags right here. And then I went ahead and, just like I said, I followed the shaping guide, and I believe I got these in a large. So I got mine, I got these in a medium large. So I got them in the nude color because you can wear that underneath anything. And what I love about these is that it has this sticky part right here, if you can see. So it'll stick to your skin so it doesn't roll down. If you've ever wore any type of girdle, we all know they roll down. And you're always like this. Or I'm the only one. And some people like are classy enough to go to the bathroom. By the end of the night, guys, I'm already sick of it rolling down, and I'm just like, I don't care at that point. So, but anyways, these go ahead and come up right below the breast, and they are just a regular panty. And then they do have like kind of the thongy look in the back. Really excited for these ones. These are 62% nylon, 30% memory fiber, and 8% spandex. So I'm going to go ahead and show you an outfit idea with these as well. Alright guys, so this is going to be the shaping panty. So basically I love to have this on when I'm wearing like my high-waisted jeans. This right here is my biggest trouble zone. This is where a lot of my weight sits. It's like the kangaroo pouch from when I had my girls. So, you know, I can't suck it in. I've tried. So it just really gives me the control, and it makes it super smooth. And even with the bodysuit on, you know, sometimes as much as I work out, I mean, I'll still get a little bit of like pouch overhang, and it comes up high enough, if you guys can see, where, hold on, I tuck it, it's literally almost touching my bra. So you don't have any of that, like, it goes up even into the back to where everything is super fitting. And yeah, and you don't even really see like a panty line or anything like that. So this is what I would wear it with. Just some like high-waisted jeans, just to kind of give me that control. I would even wear it with a pair of shorts if I was going to do a bodysuit with it as well, just because it's comfortable and it's super light and airy, and it makes me feel super confident. Alright, and then the last one that I went ahead and got were these boy body shaping shorts. So these are my favorite, guys. Like, I just because during the summer I love dresses. I love bodycon dresses. I love all that stuff. But my legs have always been my trouble zones. It's very hard for me, especially now I have some loose skin on my inner thigh, and they rub and it hurts. Like, I would get ingrown hairs and the chafing. It's super uncomfortable. you know, when you're wearing shorts, you can constantly like reapply and kind of, you know, maneuver it and pull down your shorts a little bit. But when it's in these cute like dresses, you're like, okay, well, this is uncomfortable. So I wanted some kind of shorts to wear so I can wear the bodycon dresses. It's summer, it's wedding season, and you know, there's always some kind of graduation party and stuff like that. I know you're probably thinking, Danielle, it's summer, it's hot, you expect me to wear these? I'm gonna tell you something. They sent me an extra body shaper, and I wore it to work. As most of you know, I do work in a hospital. I am on my feet for my whole 8-hour shift. I run and I run and I run. I work in a medical ICU, so I go 100% for 8 hours. I don't take elevators because they're so slow. I'm always taking the stairs. And I was like, you know what? I want to see, is this a realistic thing to tell somebody to wear during the summer? So I wore it to work. It didn't even make a difference. I didn't feel really, really hot. They weren't sliding up and down. I felt fine in them. You know, it wasn't like, it was like wearing regular underwear. If you guys have ever wore any of these shapers, usually like I don't know what fabric they are, but they're like the real shiny ones. They always roll up on your legs. They are so hot. And then like, if God forbid, when you have to go to the bathroom, it's like World War III and you were putting in some work and you were sweating and my eyebrows dripping off, and like, I hated it and I just couldn't do it. So I was like, you know what, if this is, I really want these to be something that people can wear underneath the summer dress if they're just going around just to be comfortable. And they are, ladies, so do not fear. These will give you that comfort, but also that control if you're looking for it. So let me go ahead and pull these out. I got these in the nude ones. I like them because they are long. They do come up high, so it does have that like gripper on here, so it will grip to your upper breast line. And then the thing I do like about these though is it doesn't have that. It doesn't have that. This is the thigh portion. And you know how with some of the other ones, if you've ever wore these before, they always have the super tight elastic right here, so they roll up or they like dig into your leg, and it's super uncomfortable, and you're just like sweating, and you just literally, I've been to the point where I've wore these out to like an event, like to a wedding, and literally I'm like in the car like taking these suckers off and throwing them in my purse because I am in so much pain. I'm so uncomfortable. I'm so hot that I just want to end this night. And these guys are so comfortable and they're so light, and it really gives you that support and, you know, hooks you up where you need to, but it's not uncomfortable at all. And I really, really love that about these products. I did follow this chart, and I got an extra large, extra large. I probably could have done a large, extra large. I don't know if that was in the thing. This one is a little bit big, but for the other one, that one kind of ran true to size. This one I think runs a little bit bigger, but the tummy control on here is about that life. Alright, this is my final outfit. These are my favorite kind of dresses, the midi dresses that go below the knee. I think they are super flattering on curvy girls. I think they're very feminine. I think you just feel like the baddest girl on the block, like for real. But this right here is my biggest insecurity. I could like grab it. I feel so gross putting this out there. So, you know, I mean, I could always just kind of like pull it up. I've done that in the past and kind of scrunched it. And it's really a big insecurity of mine, guys. And I work on it every day, super hard. I'm just hoping one day it just cuts it out. And not only that, I can tell you right now, my inner thigh is they're already sticking together. Like if I wore this out right now, I would be super uncomfortable just because not only of this area, but because of my legs sticking together, and it just wouldn't be comfortable. And I feel like if you're not comfortable, you're not going to be confident, and you know, if you don't feel confident, you're not going to look confident, and you're not going to slay it. And girls, you need to slay it. So let's see what it looks like with the shapewear on. Alright, so here is that dress. And I mean, guys, the proof. I mean, you could always gonna be able to see a little bit of my pouch. I mean, this isn't a miracle, guys, but I mean, you could just tell it's very smooth, the whole lower angle. I mean, not only that, but it really gives out that silhouette. And to top it off, guys, let me just show you. And the shorts. I mean, that in its own, I'll be able to wear this way more comfortably. It's currently, right now, I don't have my air on in my house, so it's about 75. And it's sunny out. I mean, I'm fine. And I just feel like, yes, I feel like I'm about to come out and just slay this whole situation. So, and I don't know, it's an easy outfit to put together, and I just feel like this has got me in my feelings, and I feel super confident, and I don't know, I just think it's really summer appropriate, and I'm really, really excited for the outfit options that I have this summer, thanks to this Shaperwear. So what do you guys think? Are you guys feeling a little bit more better about the shapewear girdle topic? I know, you're probably like, Danielle, this is just out there. But I'm telling you guys, we all think about getting one. We all want that Kim Kardashian nipped waist, and you know, we always want that little extra pep in our step, because I know myself, I'll be in the mirror and I'll walk past something and I'll be like, oh, suck it in, Danielle. You know, and I love feeling confident. And I'm not going to say that I'm not confident without the Shaperwear, but that little bit of oomph, that little bit of, yeah, girl, does not hurt anybody. I think you all are beautiful. I love all the skin that you are in. And no matter your size, your shape, whatever it is, I think you guys rock it. And if this may put that little bit of back in you, then that's what I'm about. If you guys are interested, I am going to have links in the description box for every single one of the Shaperwears that I mentioned. Guys, I highly recommend these to you. You know, I don't put you onto anything that I would never use for myself. If you guys are on the fence and you're like, yes, Danielle, I'm gonna go ahead and get me one of those. If you guys like any of these better than the other, let me know down below. But thank you so much for tuning in, and you know, stay beautiful, ladies. I will see you on the next video. If you're new here, please be sure to make sure you not only hit the like button, but you subscribe, and you make sure you hit that notification bell. I know YouTube has kind of went through and changed this algorithm again, and now you have to like hit the notification bell and hit save, and there's all these extra steps. Make sure you go ahead and do that. I would love, love, love to have you around and hang out with us. We have a good time around here, and we touch on a little bit of everything in your everyday life. But alright guys, I will see you later. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and have a great one. Bye guys. In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you were lost and this is a clue.